In this video, I'll be making grilled cheesy rolls, a different way to make the classic grilled cheese. First, you'll want to remove all the crust and then go ahead and flatten the bread with a rolling pin. Then you'll go ahead and add your choice of cheese and any other toppings you would like. Once you've placed your cheese and toppings, go ahead and roll the bread. It should stick together. If it doesn't, you can just dab a little bit of water on top. And then I'm going to go ahead and place them in a frying pan with desi ghee. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like the video and leave us a comment. Your support is very much appreciated.